Okay, following on from the chain flare, we now have got the Chimney Strimmer. So this design is mainly for use on stainless steel flues, where the chain flare was for larger flues. It could cause a lot of damage if you were to use it on the stainless. So, how did we make that? First of all, used a bar nut. This is what you use to join two lengths of threaded bar together. So you've got a bar nut, marked out a series of holes. First one you drill is in the middle. Second one has to be just the same height as the first one, above, and then the third one just the same height as below. This is designed so when you thread your strimmer wire through the sectional holes, they overlap tightly, and the locking nut or bar comes down and clamps them all together. So finally pushing the third one through, and there you have your headstock. So for the locking nuts, you have to have 1/2 inch Whitworth thread on one side and 8mm on the other, because it's an 8mm locking bar nut. So to do that, first of all, got the Whitworth threaded bar, drilled a pilot hole down through the centre, then drilled an 8mm hole down through, where I'm going to then put the bar straight through. So this piece would have had the hole straight through. Cut off the end of the bolt, don't need that, straight down through, and then weld over on the other end, basically giving you the locking pin or locking bar. So put one on the top. You have to make two of these. Where's the other one gone? In there. So second one goes here. Obviously when you rotate this, it's always going clockwise. You can't reverse drill this one. So there you have it. It's also then changeable. So as it might wear one way, you change it around the other way. On the end, because it's Whitworth, you can put your chimney brush ball. And then on this end, we often use Superflex nylon rods. So that's a direct drive to there, like so. I'll just show you actually. I've also made it, because of the Whitworth, you can also use the universal joint if you wish to use it on a short stock. I think my neighbour will be gone past in a minute. Okay, so going back to the Superflex rod, on the end, like so. Obviously with the forward motion, it's just going to be tightening up all the time. For the adapter, another Whitworth nut onto a stock of Allen key stock, like so. That can then go straight onto the drill, and here you go, a stainless steel flue. And that's not going to cause any damage to the stainless steel flue. And obviously the beauty is it will go as small as, this is a 4-inch piece of flue pipe, and it will do that as well. And like I say, if you need to, you just turn it around the complete other way, and there you have it, the Chimney Strimmer.